Hello everyone, it's Dr. Rafiq here. I hope you all are doing very well. Today I'm with a very interesting topic for discussion. In fact, those who want to start their career in research or want to pursue their research degree, they are in great trouble to decide about how to select the topic. For that, they go to the different people and ask about how to select the topic. In fact, it is as same as like asking someone how to select the life partner, because research topic is also like something which is uh, for long term with you, and which should be from the field you are interested in. So this discussion is solely about knowing the gist of selecting research topic. In fact, I wouldn't suggesting about your topic, but I would be suggesting you how to select a better topic, the topic which is of your interest, the topic which is in fact dealing with the current problem. So let's move further. It is obvious that topic speaks about research paper or your thesis, but be mindful that doing so is very challenging and tricky because you have few words to write as topic. Normally it is recommended to have maximum 20 words. In 20 words you have to convey enough information to encourage a reader to click on your paper and download it or read it and finally cite it, because if the paper is not lucrative and the topic is too long, the people would not in fact download it and neither read it. So making it readable, because ultimately we need some citations and we have to benefit our readers, so we have to make it as short as possible. I mean, maximum words are recommended 20. So here are a few guidelines which may help you how you can select the topic. In fact, first of all, choose a subject area rather than a topic, because until unless you are not knowing about what subject you are going to address about, then you cannot select the topic. In fact, you have to identify either you are interested in marketing, you are interested in human resource management, or strategic management, and so on. So first of all, you have to know what subjects appeals you, what is your interest, and then you need to go for the topic. And going for the topic, first of all you have to organize and maximize your research efforts, because now you know about your subject, and now you have to put all the efforts so that you can explore maximum about that subject area. And make sure research topic is interesting and trendy. If it's not interesting and trendy, lucrative, the people would not be encouraged to read it. In fact, it is suggested that you have to put yourself in other shoe, because you even would not be interested to read such a topic which is not dealing with your problem. And the other thing is that choose a solvable and manageable research problem. In fact, it should be solvable and manageable. If you can't manage it and solve it, please don't select it, because even it is of worthy, but if you can't handle it, I believe that you could not succeed in it. And the research problem must be worthy of your time. It should be addressing the problem of the current time. For example, conducting the research on pandemic, or on the COVID-19, which the organizations are facing great trouble. So you have to know that what is the current problem of the time. And make sure your topic is original and it's not been done before, because originality matters a lot. If it's not original, it's not novel, the people will not have interest in it. So it should address the current problem. So these guidelines, I hope so, will help you how to select the topic. And the suggestions are the topic needs to speak for itself without window dressing, because you are not directly over there to tell the people that what this research is about. So the topic itself should speak about the problem. Make sure that your title is grammatically sound. If it's not grammatically sound, the people will not in fact have the interest in it, and the mistake will definitely discourage the reader, and it creates sometimes mistrust on your work. So before going to finalize it, you have to make it sure that it is grammatically sound. If you are using terms such as green, efficient, or highly efficient, your topic should support much of the evidences in your literature and introduction that why you are using these adjectives or the words which are definitely well described, and you have to give some comparison to demonstrate these words as well. So either you use them, then you have to give proper justification for that. If you don't use them, it's even better. Your topic, especially quantitative, should indicate about research methodology, variable, context for readers to understand about. For example, if you use such words like impact, effect, relationship, correlation, so these words indicates that you are in fact using the deductive approach to examine the relationship between two variables. And in fact you need to tell about the context as well, because your research could be fit for one context or may not fit for another context. So you have to mention it is in fact suggested to mention that what context you are using. For example, you may use that green HRM practices and its impact on organizational performance in context of Pakistan or in context of textile industry and so on. I mean, using these words can help the reader to in fact know that what context you are using and what sector you are in fact studying in your research. So these things can help you a lot to get a good research topic. And here are few characteristics. For quantitative title, it must be precise and identify the problem area. Independent and dependent variables should be specified. Your target population should also be clear about. Clarity and conciseness and effective arrangement of words in title should be ensured, because I have even told it earlier that if it is grammatically not sound, the people will have mistrust on it. For quantitative, most important conceptual issues are investigated. The topic should indicate about it, and qualitative traditions applied. I mean, what the methodology you are using. I mean, what data collection modes are you are using, and participants group to which the study applies are also clear in your research title. So these are different guidelines and suggestions or characteristics for quantitative and qualitative as well, because making the qualitative research topic is bit different as compared to quantitative one. So here are few examples that bad topic and good topic. For example, if you go on first example, approach to study Chinese student, for example, if you are studying on it and you name this research title as approach to study Chinese student, it wouldn't have much impact on the reader. Rather, it converting it into the topic like gender and nationality differences and approaches to study, findings from English and Chinese business students, studies students. So if you compare these two topics, I believe that you would more prefer to read out this one, which is having more detail and clarity about what you are going to study or what you are going to incorporate in this research title. So these are the some few of the suggestions which may help you to select the topic. Again, I would request you, please don't ask anyone. First of all, ask yourself that what is your interest, and then after exploring your interest, you must go to the different databases, for example Google Scholar, and explore about it and make it concise and readable so that people can have interest in your study. So I believe that these things can help you to select the topic. Okay, thank you very much and have a good day.